Bella raga, ciao a tutti nel commentone veneziano. This is NBA. Siamo a Washington Wizard, Utah Jazz. Ragazzi, che sogno playoff deve continuare. Adesso per favore come basta con sti cazzo di fare. Wow.
You know, there's something
Also,
about that angle that
Seraphim.
just suits his eye, Steve. He's extremely comfortable when taking that shot, either side.
Bravi. Concentration, please, concentration. Billups, Chancey, Billups, il piccolo
Last
Chancey.
time they met was in Salt Lake City, Utah, where they fell to the Jazz.
I thought their defense in that game was
Hayward.
about as shaky as it could be. At home, that kind of defense isn't going to cut it. Never mind.
Perché tira così sporco
They
canestro,
really look
mamma
tired
mia.
to me, and I don't know if they had tribal issues or if they were out too late, but
Comunque il comendone è un po' in riserva, nel senso dopo una grande prima stagione da rookie sono un po' in difficoltà adesso, è chiaro che le difficoltà devono arrivare, se non è troppo facile il gioco.
The Utah Jazz, they come in off a loss to Milwaukee.
well, with the number of turnovers they had in that game, guys, it was going to be an uphill battle all the way. Well, especially, Steve, when you couple the turnover with the soft defense they were playing. I mean, that's a bad combination.
Favors, te prego.
And then not defending.
Buono fallo, dai che va bene.
It is, and so they
Della linea della
really
carità.
bashed it there.
Perfetto.
Almost got that shot in time, but not
Buon primo
quite.
parziale.
Can't touch the ball once it's on the way down.
E il fallo continua libero supplementare da cagare.
See him and you think he's some lanky, gangly, 6'8" guy, but he got a great first step, and if you
Dovrebbe
need him to, he
svegliarsi,
can fill in at the two for you.
Then going back to Gordon Hayward, Steve,
Comunque
very
registrerò
competitive.
primo e quarto quarto, salvo nella speranza di non fare falli o roba così.
His best sport. You think
Però
that
questo è solo l'obiettivo, che se no non mi fermo. Fallo sul comendone. Primo libero a segno, bravo. Secondo libero,
The Jazz have
2 su 2 per Veneziano, molto
free
bene.
throw attempt today.
Si sblocca anche la partita del comendone.
They're right around 74% as a team from the free throw line to this point of the season.
You know, their percentages dropped off just a little bit compared to last year, guys, but it's not a huge drop-off, so
Also-
no major concern.
Now here's Seraphim, averaging 6 points per contest.
Occhio,
Lets it go from 14.
buono, poi di rimbalzo, bravissimo, bravo Kenter.
Utah.
And they're now 1 for 5 to
E
start
Veneziano
this
si
season.
butta e sono 2 punti, non proprio facilissimo, sono comunque 2.
And the layup
Questo è quello che conta.
right there. I mean, he had a clear path to the basket.
So for the Wizards, their last game a loss to Memphis.
Occhio, non da solo, come contro un altro, per i rimbalzi solo da solo purtroppo.
Don't want to hear it, but you're exactly right. There was no energy, no
Mancano
assertive,
22 partite, finita questa 21
It was just like
e si va ai playoff, speriamo bene, cazzo, è un obiettivo, un sogno, seria con Utah. Bravissimo Veneziano, mamma mia,
A nice lead pass.
molto bene.
The chosen ones got 6.
Red hot right out of the gate. 4 for 4 shooting.
All with it. He had an 18-point outing in their last game against Memphis.
Arisa, triplone, bravissimo Kenter ancora, vai Chancey, vai piccolo Chancey.
Now Billups. Trevor Ariza, missing from long range.
Da 3 Veneziano,
Here's the chosen
solo rete!
assist from Billups.
Mamma mia ragazzi,
And that's
cosa ha
9
messo
points for
Veneziano?
the chosen one. Wizards trail by 9.
Basta, non voglio fare più falli, ce la devo fare, piuttosto non rubo palle, ma devo stare attento, fanno almeno un massimo 3
The
proprio.
wall. Ball gets a screen from
Ariza.
Beal. Shot clock at 6. Shoots a fader.
Perfetto, Washington ha cominciato malissimo questa partita, io gol.
Jazz leading by 9.
Mettiamo il blocco, è grandissimo assist, e sono altri 2 punticini per Utah, 16-5, inizio spaventoso.
during this run, it's come from inside the paint.
Time out Utah, anzi Washington.
Collapse inside, force the ball back out in the perimeter, make them beat you from long range.
Let's catch up with Doris from the sideline.
I was able to listen in on what Tyrone Corbin was going over with his team. The point of emphasis was defending the outside shot. He's willing to stretch his feet as far as he will go and make the perimeter a very crowded area. He said the other key
Vai Kume. 9 punti, un assist. Buon inizio del primo quarto. Blocco, il Kume prova e ne mette 2, ma come li mette ragazzi? Ma queste ultime partite, visto che mancano così poche partite, sono straconcentrato, voglio i playoff, li pretendo dopo questa stagione. Questo è un gioco lungo ragazzi, non posso fallire. Sono al 100% dal campo.
Phillips kicks to Favors. Over to the left wing. Favors with the
Ah,
screen.
Favors, perché sti errori? Perché? Perché piccolo Favors?
Season player efficiency ratings. The statistic: Wilt Chamberlain, Michael Jordan, and LeBron James. And we've got some more modern talent represented as well.
Yeah, you're talking the elites of the game when you go down that list. Interesting to see a new school staff.
Fallo di Kent, fallo del piccolo Kent.
Old school legends, but the
La linea della
ratings
carità.
obviously make sense if those guys
No,
are at the
no,
top. Well, at least the defender got his money's worth on that one.
Cazzo, con Washington
That was
bisogna
an
vincere
easy
a
whistle
tutti
for
i
the
costi.
official.
No good at the stripe this time.
Vai Veneziano.
Second misses also.
Well, really a promising young roster for the Utah Jazz team, guys. A lot of
Vogliamo il miracolo di Utah. Credo un sogno inimmaginabile dai playoff.
Now here's Cantor. He had a 12-point outing in their last game
Vai,
against
da
Milwaukee.
solo. E ci sono 3 punti semplici. Sono 3 punti semplici. E assist di Veneziano.
Huge advantage for them already.
And as well as they played in both ends, so really high percentage looks.
Oggi i blocchi, eccolo là, eccolo là.
There's a screen.
No, tiro libero supplementare, maledetto. Maledetto, figlio di puttana. Eccola.
John Wall in this one.
E
He's
si
got
soffre,
19
sì.
points
E si
and a
soffre.
huge helping of assists as well.
Now he's a maestro.
5 minuti e 30.
Conductor of this offense, putting on a fantastic performance.
I processi devono essere lunghi e fare punto. È così che si vincono queste partite. Non. Però arriva il fallo.
Got him on the way up that time, so he'll shoot 2 right here.
Primo libero, grande. Così portarci a portare a tempo.
Easy to get the defender going one way.
Buono, 2 su 2.
To go the other. Best at that.
And you know what, Steve? We also have to talk about his shooting. I mean, the fact that he copes with tight D better than anyone is something to make note of. His percentage stays the same, and if he's wide open,
Ho previsto
he's
2 minuti
automatic.
di riposo per fare alla grande.
It's Wall with the drop.
Grande, e come va anche a rimbalzo, signori, un
The
cubo da
chosen one's got
sontuoso.
his third rebound tonight. He feeds it to Burke. They set the pick. He kicks it to Hayward. Shot clock at 5.
E se la casa sta a casa sua!
Gets it to go.
Cosa ha fatto Hayward?
Cut the lead up to 14 now for the Jazz.
Mamma mia, cosa ha
Starting to
fatto?
get it rolling, guys. That's 4 3-pointers for the game. 3 of them coming in this second half.
Wall attacking. Ariza kicks to Serafin. Ariza dishes to Serafin. Back to Ariza.
Bella,
Shot off here.
molto come fa la Wizard.
The Wizards retain possession.
Buono, me ne sono accorto allora.
Washington Wizards
Pareggio
upcoming
come
schedule. And
tipico,
following this game, they hit the
sempre
road to
più
challenge the Bucks at the Bradley Center in Milwaukee for the first half of a 2-game trip.
Yeah, a lot of good matchups around the league. The one that
Is he
I have
good?
my eye on is definitely the Miami Heat matchup.
And it's Utah's ball. They're on a 20-7 run.
Subito, mamma mia, cosa ha fatto Veneziano, ragazzi. Un canestro leggendario, 16 su 26 nel campo.
Period of basketball.
Il Comodone si candida ad essere il migliore analista miglior realizzatore a livello di percentuale della Lega.
Ball's got 9 points in the quarter.
Stiamo cavando un bel vantaggio, non possiamo buttarlo via così.
Here's the chosen one, covered by Wall. The chosen one passes to Cannon.
Possessi belli lunghi.
Here's the chosen one.
La 3 a casa sua? Questo era veramente impossibile.
Down by Booker. Booker's got 5 rebounds tonight.
Se la sbaglia, che gol. Quanto gol, quanto gol.
And here is Burke. Burke gets the screen from Favors.
Ah, poteva passarmela, però va bene.
One's good.
Ottimo
And
punto.
the Jazz lead by 16.
And another gap in the defense found right there. This is one of the worst defensive performances that I have ever seen.
E ancora rimbalzo veneziano. Mamma mia, ragazzi, il volume.
Now Utah fast break.
Perfetto. Bravi, fai 4 rimbalzi.
Hayward's got 13 points.
Sto migliorando molto nei rimbalzi, sono contento.
No, every once in a while he'll show us.
Faccio fatica ancora in quelli, diciamo, 1 contro 1.
Washington calls timeout. Look at the chosen one. He's been playing really well.
They don't seem to have any answers for him. They need to review their game plan and look for a way to cool him off.
Doris Burke has an update for us. Doris?
I was able to listen in on what Tyrone Corbin was going over with his team. He thinks the use of ball screens against this
Altro errore, Washington in difficoltà.
That's what he relayed to his players. His other
È
point
tutto
about
nelle nostre
the
mani, ragazzi.
interior defense, which he insisted they concentrate on. Keep the ball out of the paint, he said. Don't give them anything from close range.
Bravissimo, come arriva il fallo, va bene lo stesso. Va bene lo stesso.
Kevin, over to you.
Mettiamone almeno uno come. Bravissimo.
Just an amazing game for the chosen one. He has 38 points and 7 assists.
Ah, ha potuto fare i 40 punti.
Seeing him at his best today. So much fun to watch.
Peccato per la double double.
He's at his best. It's amazing the things he can do.
Tries to save it. And out of bounds.
Gli assist faccio ancora un po' di fatica, purtroppo, Gli assist sono duri.
Jazz leading by 19. Kicks it to Burke. Nice ball movement by Utah. Puts up the baby hook.
No, non sbagliarmeli però questi, porca trota.
Once he had to change the shot because of the hand in his face.
Pariza.
He knew he wasn't gonna make it.
Bello.
Took him no time at all.
16 punti di vantaggio,
10
insomma.
points for Ariza.
Success they've been having
nostra
from the
la partita,
three-point
dai.
line since halftime. I'll bet you that scoreboard starts to look a lot different real soon.
Of course, they have to stay hot. But if they do, I think you're right, Clark. Particularly if they can convert defense into offense. An example
1
right
minuto e
there,
48,
guys,
ragazzi.
of how
108
even as their
a
lead
90.
grew into a big one, they never started posting.
That's the truth. I mean, they've been in charge of this game all
Bello,
the way
madonna,
through.
però
Wall.
veramente Wolf fa di quelle cose senza senso, mamma mia che
Leader
fenomeno.
offensively this quarter.
Però io ho fatto 39 punti, quindi la sfida l'ho un po' vinta io.
Here's the chosen one.
Anzi 41, 41.
The bucket. 41 points for the chosen one.
And so here we go.
Quando ho
just
queste
rolling
giornate,
along to the
ragazzi,
finish
lo
line
sapete,
in what
come
has
ogni
been
tanto
a very
si inventa queste
confident-looking
giornate.
performance for the Jazz.
Steve, I agree.
E la ruba, anche la ruba. Ah, dopo la sbaglia
We
però.
talked about this before the game. Definitely a competitive game, and they fought through it each step of the way.
Yeah, absolutely. They put a tremendous performance in terms of effort and intensity, and they deserve to
1
win this.
minuto, ragazzi, ed è
And so
finita.
now on the year, they'll have 35
Andiamo via dalla
wins to their
capitale
record.
con una vittoria fondamentale perché
Clear who had the better game plan and better execution, and that's why they'll be finishing up the year 2-0 against the Wizards.
Fantastic show put on. What an amazing game all around it was for the chosen one. He was doing everything right, and the points seemed to come in
buono,
bunches.
buono,
He
dai, teniamo
definitely
palla,
had a
andiamo a
hot
casa.
hand.
Burke kicks to Hayward. Shoots off
Che
the step
spalmi,
back,
che
and he
triplo.
connects with the jumper. And the
Mamma mia,
Jazz lead
bellissimo.
by 20.
No,
Fans
quarto fallo
already
per
heading
queste
to the
robe.
exits, clearly not pleased with the way their home team played here today.
They should be pleased. I mean, it's a very well-deserved win, Steve. They came into this building and weren't intimidated at all. They were the aggressors.
So he makes 1 of 2 as the second one misses.
Oh, ragazzi, occhio. Stiamo
Stiamo
fatta bene.
Now is not
Ok.
the time to be missing free throws.
And out of bounds as Utah gains possession.
I tell you what, that's just a major unforced error right there, guys. My goodness.
Dishes to Burke.
Buono.
Here's the chosen one, covered by Wall.
16 secondi
Burke, the pass to the chosen one.
e arriva una gran vittoria, ragazzi.
Just 5 on the clock. He dishes it to Favors.
Oh, anche un altro
And he
assist,
gets
bene.
it to go.
Molto bene, Washington in silenzio. Il palazzetto è in
that's
silenzio,
how you
ragazzi.
close out a game, Steve.
Here is Wall. Wide open.
Gran grande vittoria. Ottima vittoria che ci avvicina sempre di più ai playoff. Mancano 21 partite alla fine della regular season. La strada è sempre più positiva per il veneziano e i suoi. Raga, un saluto dal Comendone veneziano.
Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano. Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano.